Make time for Allah and pray on time, and by Allah, He will remove bad times from your life. In life, very few people are truly sincere with you, most only pretend. A person may enjoy life by wrongfully taking the rights of a Muslim brother, but on the day of judgment, it will become a noose around their neck. Sometimes tears, sometimes prostration, sometimes raising hands in prayer. There is great joy in the solitude of supplication. Women should not seek equality with men because Allah Himself has elevated them to a higher status to ensure their protection. If someone's plate is empty, do not assume they have come to beg. Perhaps they have shared everything they had. O Allah, make me such that I love you with all my heart and dedicate all my efforts to pleasing you. If a person desires to walk the path of truth, Allah makes the way easy for them. You are your own best comfort, your best friend, your best world, and the best pat on the back during tough times that never lets you give up. Children learn from what they see you do. Whether tomorrow is good or bad, you are responsible for both. Life is like a closed book. When it opens, you realize which pages hold joy and which hold sorrow. The relationship of husband and wife is deeply disliked by Satan because marriage is half of faith, and Satan is the greatest enemy of a Muslim's faith.